Japanese consumer continues to be hurt by negative real wage gains. So the Japanese economy to us doesn't look as good as the equity markets.
Portugal and Greece, from massive current account deficits, they've actually now gone into current account surpluses. And the last time that we saw Greece have a current account surplus was way back in the 1950s.
Find sustainable returns. There's essentially nothing we can't talk about.
The key point, though, is that in the environment we're in, a number of funds are being very honest with themselves and saying,
so when you look at institutional framework, the ease of doing business and corruption level, and also the political process.
It's very difficult to try and get the return targets that you may have been expecting to achieve when bond yields were positive in that sense.
But if you look at China, currently, they are not really aggressively cutting rate. You know, are only down like from 20 to 17.5 now.
A very monotonic, very mechanical way of thinking about, whether should China or Asia markets be part of the global, investment opportunities.
Yeah, the sessions were really good this morning. Very informative. First speaker framing the day essentially.
The topics to start with were quite broad-ranging. So really good introductions to the rest of the day and the other topics to follow.
It's a very good forum for us to meet with many institutional investors from Southeast Asia who fly into Singapore, including those from Singapore itself.
The topic is quite interesting. We talk about they talk about the global equity. They talk about China.
The speakers were extremely well informed and they covered both the macro outlook as well as specific asset classes.